What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And I have to say that we have a lot of news directly related to Tesla. Some of them are bullish and some of them are not. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we were hovering in between these two yellow lines. It is the range of resistance at roughly $752.48 and the range of support at the price point of $691.16. And my main assumption was that we have to move south and we have to complete a 5-wave structure inside our 5th wave. And let me show you this more thoroughly. If I switch to 4 hours time frame and switch to Automotive, as you can see, we have from this swing high on April the 4th, we have on a bigger scale, we have this is our first wave. Second, this entire structure is the 3rd wave. We have to have the bounce to the 4th one, and we have it. And next leg should land somewhere lower. And if it is the case, definitely we should land a bit lower. But this structure, this latest structure, is not so good in terms of its shape. And that's why in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the news. First of all, let me show you that we have a bounce for the market. S&P 500 gained about 1.46%, Dow Jones gained about 1%, Nasdaq gained about 2.5%, and the main reason of this movement is this one. And it might be unusual, but let me explain. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said Wednesday that the central bank hopes to avoid a recession after ratcheting up its pace of interest rate hikes. We are not trying to induce a recession now, let's be clear about that. Powell told reporters after the policy setting Federal Open Market Committee raised short-term rates by 0.75%. Wednesday's move marked the Fed's largest in a single meeting since 1994. Short-term borrowing costs are now in a target range between 1.5 and 1.75%. And 0.75% is quite bearish move, but you might wonder why we have the bounce to the upside for entire market. And I think the main reason of this bounce is that the 0.75% was already priced in the market, because we have the news of this increase for about 2 days, and definitely 2 days is more than enough to price in this increase. And when we actually have this increase, it becomes a sign of some kind of good news, and that's why we have this bounce. So, and let me show you some news directly related to Tesla, and let me show you first of all this one. So, we are on electric.com, and this article was published on June 15th, and it says Tesla has lost over $500 million from its Bitcoin investment amid crypto winter. And let me quote you this. Early in 2021, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. And because of this huge investment and because of the harsh decrease in crypto markets, Tesla has about $500 million losses on this investment. And that's why I think in Q2 2022, they have to file these losses, and definitely it will hurt their balance sheet and it will hurt their financials. On top of that, we have very weak deliveries in Shanghai plant for April and May, and definitely it will also be a negative sign for investors when we will see the Q2 earnings report, and that's why we have to be very cautious. But on top of this news, we have quite good news directly related to Tesla, and let me first of all show you this one. On June 14th, we have this article that is titled Elon Musk promises more Model Ys as wait times blow out to 2023. And I have to say that Elon Musk didn't expect very high demand for their vehicles in Australia. And let me quote you this. We are working on accelerating right-hand drive Model Y production. Didn't expect demand to be so high, said Elon Musk on Monday after it was pointed out on Twitter that wait times for the Model Y in Australia had been pushed back twice since orders went live on Friday. And definitely it is a very good long-term catalyst, but it is nothing else but the increase in their order books. And I have to say that for now, the main goal for Tesla is to fulfill this demand. And definitely it will be quite tricky because the only factory that might bring these vehicles in Australia is the Gigafactory Shanghai. And I have to say that Shanghai is working for its 100% capacity, and definitely it might be not enough to fulfill the entire demand for this region. And let me show you another news related to Giga Berlin. And on June 13th, we have this article on teslarati.com, and it's titled "Tesla Giga Berlin is producing nearly 1,000 vehicles per week," Elon Musk said. And definitely 1,000 vehicles per week is not the record amount. For example, Shanghai produces 2.3 thousand vehicles a day. But still, it is a very good milestone for Giga Berlin because Tesla is still hiring. And let me show you this. Tesla hiring 500 to 600 staff a month at Gigafactory Berlin. And this number is very impressive, and I have to say, in a matter of next couple of months, Tesla will increase its production rates to hit much higher delivery numbers. So, and let me show you this news. We have a new forecast from analysts, and on June 13th, Royal Bank of Canada set its price target of $1,100 with the upside potential of more than 57%. Definitely it is still very bullish forecast, and I have to say that we might see some kind of consolidation phase during next several weeks, but then I'm pretty sure about that, Tesla will go much higher. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have two key points right now. The top of our previous swing high, as you can see, it is right here at $752.48, and this swing low at $640. And depending on the next leg, we might consider if this asset breaks the range of support at $640, definitely we will confirm this breakout, and definitely we might see lower price targets for Tesla in a medium-term perspective. But if it breaks this swing high, definitely it will invalidate the discount, and we might see the next leg to the upside that will form higher lows and higher highs. And in this case, Tesla might hit its all-time high in a matter of next several months. And that's why we have to stay cautious with our position, because for now we have to see which way it might go. But if you want to invest in this asset and your investment horizon is longer than 12 months, just accumulate your position on every daily red candle. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.